Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create two blocks in blogger.com. So you create the two blocks, you go like this, you choose the names uh, about your blocks. You can choose any name you want, right? Right. I'm just gonna test. I'm just gonna write this. We gotta check that this is available. Okay, you have to. Okay, okay, this is available. I choose uh, template. All right, then I click create new blog. All right, then while you have the blog over there, then you can click and you can remember that has to be two blogs. So you create another blog and you check if it is available. Okay, whatever. Okay, you create the second blog. Now uh, now that you have the two blogs, it says in one blog add one post about why it is important to motivate students in class. Okay, so you have to write different things about why it's important to motivate students in class and to implement games in class. Alright, so I'm going to begin start posting, and that's it. Well, I'm gonna stay here. I chose the blog number 2. Yeah, this is the blog number 1, so I'm gonna start blogging. Alright, and now we are going to have this, right? Okay, so you write here all the information about this, right? Why it is important to motivate students in class and to implement games in class, and you have to include 2 or more pictures in the same post. So that means that I have to include 2 pictures. You can add one here, right? So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm going to select one picture. Remember that it will be better if you have your pictures already there saved in your computer. So I'm going to select um let me check have my pictures. I have my pictures. Well, let me check. Yeah, I have some pictures here. I can select any, right? Okay, you select, and you can upload pictures that you want. Okay, and now you can select only one. For example, I select this and I added, right, and it's going to come up here. Right now, if you want to have it small and it's in the center, if you want to put it in the left, it's going to go like this. If you want to put it in the center, it's going to go like that. All right, now remember that you have to include two pictures. I'm going to include another one, right, because I already upload two. I'm gonna select it, this second one, and it's going to come up at, yeah, at the bottom. Right, I'm gonna make it small too. Right, and now let me check the other. In this block, include two or more pictures. Okay, in now number 4, include 5 or more pages with English teaching games. Each page must have the title of the game. So to do this, you have to, well, first you have to publish this post. Once that you have published this post, this box is going to pop open, but you can cancel it. All right, now, oh, this is, now you have to go to layout, and in layout, remember that here are all the settings about the page. Now, now let's see. Well, what you have to do is you can add a gadget. You can add a gadget here. Right? Remember that here the gadget is about the pages. So we're gonna look for this speeches, and then I'm going to add that to my blog. I'm going to select it, and then I'm gonna save it. Okay, now that you have this, you are going to go to the pages, right? In here you are going to add the pages. Remember that the titles must be, you have to write the name of the game, and here you're going to write the name of the game, and you're going to explain the game. Then you're gonna publish that, and then you are going to, all right, add another page, write the name of the game, write, explain the game here, then publish. You're going to publish the game. That's it, right? Remember that here it says 5 or more pages with English teaching games. If you want, you can write only 5. If you want more, go for it. Okay, now let's see. Number 5, include a link list with 5 or more websites with ESL or EFL games. All right, now what we have to do is we have to go to the layout again, right? Because we have to add another gadget, right, to our website. We are going to add the gadget of the link list. We're going to click on add gadget, and we're going to select a link list. We're going to look for it here. This is link list, and you add it. Now check this. The link list must have a name, and you can put, I don't know, mm, uh, I don't know. You can choose your own, right? Here you can leave it blank to show all the links that you're going to present, right? Remember, it must be 5 or more. Now here you can begin adding the different uh, sites. One very I really like this site, and I'm going to, well, it is called um, games. We're gonna, okay, check. Here we have I want one. Here we have one very good site for teachers. So you go here, select the link. Now that you have selected the link, you write it here, paste it here, right? You write the name of the page, right? Right, and then you add the link, and it's over here. You see. Now uh, once that you have finished it, you save it. Okay, and if you want to check how your blog is, uh, how your blog looks like, you can click here and view blog in a new tab, and we're gonna check. Okay, let's check. Let's check here. I have the his check. This is these are the different things. Now if you want to, this is the